everyone. Hello. I would say I hope you're having a great Monday morning, but I know a lot of us don't look forward to Mondays. But you know what? We should. God gave us another day to wake up and breathe. I have a huge to-do list today, but I wanted to share with you a recipe that I made Saturday evening for Father's Day. I've been making this one for a while now, but the first time I made it, my husband loved it. So I made sure to write this recipe down, and I'm going to include that at the end of this video. So make sure you grab that recipe because you're gonna love this one. And here we go.
First, we're going to start by preheating our oven to 425 degrees. Grab a 9 by 13 baking dish and put a half a stick of butter in it. We are going to put this in the oven and let that melt. I'm using 4 large chicken breasts that I actually soaked in a salt brine and unthawed, but if you do this, make sure you rinse that salt off. This does make the chicken much more tender. Add 1 cup of flour to a small bowl, and salt and pepper is optional. Now you'll need a can of evaporated milk. At the moment, we're only going to use 1/4 of this can. Put that in another bowl. Take your 9 by 13 with the butter in it and put it close by. Grab your chicken and we are going to batter this. First, we're going to dip the chicken into the flour and now into the evaporated milk and back into the flour. Coating that really well. Place your chicken breast into that 9 by 13 baking dish. And you're going to repeat this process until all the chicken's covered. Place this in your preheated oven for 30 minutes. While that's baking, you'll need a can of cream of chicken, the rest of the evaporated milk, and 1/4 cup of water. Go ahead and mix that really well in a medium-sized bowl. Cover it and put it aside. After 30 minutes, go ahead and pull your chicken out of the oven, and we are going to take the chicken and flip it over. I apologize, I didn't get the footage on this. I was so upset. It was so pretty and brown. Then you're going to pour the soup mixture over the chicken. We are going to bake this chicken for 30 more minutes with aluminum foil on top. After about 20 minutes in, take that aluminum foil off of the top so that you can get it a pretty golden brown, and voila. I can't remember if I found this recipe on Pinterest or in an old cookbook, but this chicken is amazing. My husband loves it, and you're gonna want to keep this recipe.